welcome back to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I bring you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, lifestyle, all of that. Girl, subscribe. Okay, kitty, so we have a get ready with me on this very simple, beginner friendly makeup look and this outfit and this hair. So if you like the way this looks and you want to find out how I got it, go ahead and just keep watching. Here I am rolling the tape. I'm going to start with my face. My face is already moisturized. I did my eyebrows off camera to save time. On my lips, I have a lip conditioner, which is my Pout Pudding by Sugar Scoop Beauty. All the link will be below. Sugar Scoop Beauty is me. That's my brand. So if you want to support, definitely go ahead and click the link. There is a coupon code included as well. I'm going to start with my favorite foundation. Listen, I have several foundations and the fact that I keep picking this up says a lot. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I'm in the color Cocoa. I really love this, y'all. I really love it. So today is Sunday. I'm going for a very chill look. If I have a clip of the outfit that we're going to be doing, I'll go ahead and insert that. Because, you know, it's chill. It's, you know, we're going to take my son out and get some ice cream because we're on an ice cream tour, clearly. You want to find a new ice cream spot every week. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be very comfortable and cute. And make it back home to watch Insecure. Because that comes on. Y'all know, if you know me, you know Insecure is my jam. If you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I love Issa Rae. We're definitely besties. I don't know if she knows. I don't think she knows because she hasn't checked any of the DMs that I've been sending her. I tag her so much, but it's fine. I know she got, I know her inbox is full, so I'll let it slide. I'll let it slide, okay? But I'm so excited to watch Insecure. I love that show. It's just, I don't know. I just love that show. I always watch it with my husband. I know most people probably watch it with their homegirls or whatever, but I watch it with my husband, okay? Love that show. So if you haven't watched it, I really think that you should watch the old seasons. Definitely check it out if you haven't watched it yet, and catch up and then watch the new season. Because we are ready to find out what Issa does when it comes to Lawrence and his situation with condensation. Whatever her name is, it's probably like, I think it's Condola or something like that, but we call her condensation. I call her condensation because she really came through and messed up a good thing.
She needed to talk.
Okay, about what?
I'm pregnant.
What?
I was so happy to see Issa and Lawrence kind of like, you know, getting back together after everything that they've been through. So it's a good topic. This actually brings up a good topic. Like, what would you do if you were Issa? If you got back with your ex, okay? And y'all all lovey-dovey. I'm going to do my concealer, y'all. This is Born This Way, the multi-use sculpting concealer, and I am in the color Maple. So this is what I'm going to be using as my highlighting concealer. But what would you do? Okay, you have a significant other, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever the case is, and you've been together for, I think they were together 5 years. They broke up, okay, because, you know, Issa did what she did. If you watch the season, you know. So they broke up, and after I think maybe a year or two had gone by or whatever, they started to rekindle and they got in good and everything, and it turns up that his ex is pregnant. Now they're broken up in like current times. They were broken up, but their last encounter happened to have gotten her pregnant. What would you do? I want to know, what would you do? Me personally, he'll have to go back to the streets. She doesn't have any kids, and then when you're with somebody like that and you're in love, I would think you want your first child to be together. So it'll have me too bitter, okay? Too bitter. I would just allow him to go back to the streets, honestly. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe, because if you are in love like that, You know he doesn't necessarily want her anymore. Maybe, we don't know. We'll see how the season ends. He probably doesn't want her romantically anymore, but I feel like something like a child, the woman that you have your first child with, sometimes, you know, sometimes that can be trouble. Okay, sometimes he can wander his way right back into that situation, sometimes through love of the child, knowing that the child at the time was made out of love. Maybe, I don't know. All I do know is, ain't no way. But we will see how it goes this season, which I'm so excited about, and also how her and Molly's relationship does. I'm interested in that as well. I just hate that I feel like the season shouldn't be ending yet. I don't feel like the characters are that developed yet to be ending. Why, Issa? Why? I don't know what other show I'm going to watch when that goes off. I don't have a show that I'm like, oh, my show, that's my show. I don't really have a scripted show that I watch that I'm in love with. Not at all. But we'll see how the season ends. Alright, so I just blended out my concealer. Looks nice and natural. I'm going to go ahead and just set this with my favorite setting powder, which is the Laura Mercier honey powder. I always dip some into the cap here and then use a wet beauty blender to set it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face with my e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. And this is in the color Sunkissed. Yeah, Sunkissed. I love how this looks on my skin. I am like an NW48 in MAC, just for you to have a reference of my complexion. And Sunkissed works out the perfect reddish brown on my skin. I'm going to use this e.l.f. brush to blend it in around the edges here. Have any of you guys watched Issa Rae's her non-scripted show, like a reality show? I think I tried to watch it, and like 5 minutes in, I was like, oh no, because the characters are a little younger for me, so I wasn't interested at first. So I think I might just fast forward into maybe the middle of the season and see if it gets good. But I judged it pretty much at the beginning, just because of the age of the characters, the cast, yeah. But I'm gonna check it out again, just because I love Issa like that, and I want to support literally whatever she does. Literally whatever she does. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just contour my nose a bit, and we're almost done with this look because I'm not really doing any eyeshadow. I might throw some powdered bronzer in the crease and then put on some lashes, and that's it. And a nice gloss. Gonna do a nice gloss, and that's about it. I'm not gonna do anything major. This is like my go-to really quick glam. This type of makeup is good for any occasion. Alright, so I did the contour with my e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. Alright, so that looks good. Boom, boom. So let's work on, so I'm gonna set the face with my dark Laura Mercier powder. Okay, so I'm just gonna dust some of the Laura Mercier dark setting powder on my face just to set it. And move this look right along. Super simple. Y'all know when men say, I like women who don't wear makeup. This is makeup that they like. But they don't know that it's makeup, or no makeup type of look. Yeah. This is the look. This is the face that they see and say, I like a woman that doesn't wear makeup. This is makeup, sir. It's just unnatural. But they're so dumb. So they're dumb. And so the face looks fresh and flawless. let's go ahead and move on to the eyes. I'm just going to put some bronzer in my crease. That's it. I'm gonna do a brown wing liner right here on the tail end of my eyes, and then do the lashes, and then boom, So I'm just grabbing a large blending brush to just blend the bronzer through my crease, just to, you know, warm it up and make it not so plain, not so blank. Okay, and I love to get some bronzer right in this area and connect it into the brows. It just defines the eye a lot more to me, so I always do it, especially if I'm not doing a real look like this. This is just something simple, something easy. And that's it. Now I'm going to grab my brown wing liner. This is by Wet n Wild. I'm just going to put a wing right here at the end. Y'all see? That's it. That's it. I'm going to do it to the other eye, and go ahead and get my lashes, and then boom, boom. The lashes are on. These are Promise Makes. I always wear Promise Make lashes. I'll leave the link in my description. This style is called Yummy, but I've had this for a long time, maybe about 8 months or so. So you guys probably won't see this one on the site, but definitely check out her site and see what is available. I'm sure there is something that is similar. Love this. Love this though. It's perfect for the look and the liner. Yeah, let's get into the lip. I'm just gonna dab off some of the powder pudding, because you know, I don't want my lip to be too slippery when I'm trying to put on my lip liner. The lip liner I'm going to use is by my brand, which is Sugar Scoop Beauty, and the color that I'm going to use is called Cherry Cola, which is like a brown, and it has a little bit of like a reddish purplish tone to it. A very comparable lip liner is by NYX called Club Hopper. The colors are the same. I'll go ahead and swatch it so you can see what I mean. So this is it. This is called Cherry Cola. Can you see this? Is it focusing? So this is Cherry Cola. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. Also, this is Cherry Cola. Just the liner. And the gloss that I'm going to pair with it is called Undressed, also Sugar Scoop Beauty. So this is the shade. Let me just swatch it next to the liner so you can get a little vibe. Okay. What I don't like is when it doesn't focus. Here we are. So you see it's a mauve sort of color. So that's what we're going to pair it with Cherry Cola. And that'll kind of complete the look. I'll take my hair out and we do the outfit thing, you know. I'm gonna show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. So how perfect is the lip gloss? Is called Undressed. Cherry Cola is the lip liner. How perfect is this combo? How pretty, and just, this is not sticky at all. It feels glossy, smooth, silky. Listen, if you've tried any of these glosses from Sugar Scoop Beauty, definitely go off in the comments. Go off in the comments, because these lip glosses are it. Trust me, it's a handmade formula. So I kind of know what I'm looking for when it comes to a lip gloss. Being a freelance, or I was a freelance makeup artist for years. So that kind of gives me like an advantage, I would say, when it comes to these glosses. So y'all better stop playing with me and my glosses. Please stop. Let's get into the outfit. Well, no, let's check out my hair and let's get into that. Slow. Alright guys, so the outfit is all done. I'll put on a split screen here so you can see the entire outfit. I decided to wear some joggers and a t-shirt, something very comfortable. This t-shirt I got from Target recently, so I can certainly link this for you guys. I love the color of it. It's like a camel color and it has a little bit of acid wash going on, and it's so comfortable and so soft. Absolutely love this. I paired it with some sweatpants that I got from a small business last year. This came in a set, like a jogger set, and it is Chic 83 Boutique. I'll link the boutique below so you can check out their other plus size items. But this, I'm more than likely sure that it's not available anymore because it was last year that I got it. But definitely check them out. And I got on these bracelets that I spoke about on my last video from 3 Beauties Accessories. So that's where I got this. I paired this outfit with some burgundy sneakers. Let me just grab them off my feet so I can show y'all. I love these sneakers. I always break them out around this time of year. They are this burgundy suede color with the peanut butter bottom that I think was a nice little pop with this outfit. I really love this outfit. I feel like I could have dressed it up if I wanted to. You know, if you want to go for that effortless sort of glam, maybe more of a brighter lip, like a burgundy lip, a stronger wing liner, maybe fuller lashes, and some pumps. Do you know those, like, you know those clear or even nude color, like a clear pump with a nude bottom? That would have been really cute with this. Or black pumps with a leather jacket over this. Girl, tell me that wouldn't have been a look. But I'm hanging out with my son and my husband. Like, we're not doing all of that. But if you wanted to make it a fashionista moment, adding like a leather jacket and some black pumps or nude pumps would have been it. That would have been it. And it depends on your makeup too. You know what I mean? Like a more deeper, bold lip would have definitely dressed this up. If my wing liner was stronger, like I mentioned, and those lashes, don't play with us. Don't play with us. That would have been a damn look, okay? But that's not the occasion, because I was actually getting ready to go somewhere, which we're gonna go ahead and do now. But this is the look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, of course, let me know in the comments. Be sure to like the video, and always don't forget to come back, kiddies, and you gotta make sure you subscribe too. Thank you again so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. All right.